As a trader with an 18-year of experience, I have witnessed the evolving complexities of the financial markets. My journey has taught me that the success in a trading requires more than just knowledge. It demands patience, adaptability, and the continuous learning. Yakka Dynamic Elite embodied these principles, offering a comprehensive solutions designed for evaluate your trading strategies. My mission is to help to navigate with the market with the confidence. Hello traders, welcome to the detailed guide on the Yakka Professional Dynamic Elite trading strategy. My name is Glenn Yakka and I am excited to share you with an advanced strategy designed to maximize your trading efficiency and profitability. Traders, before going to continue the strategy on the live chart, you must understand this chart I make for you. I illustrate all the rule in the chart and make a banner for your easy understanding. After this chart understanding, you easily understand the live market. Traders, this strategy based on the 5 rules. Let's go through each other. First, wait for the signal. You see there is a buy signal or there is a sell signal. If the signals come, you see that here there is a sell signal. Then follow the rules. Rule number one is here is the rule number one. This is the trend filter. You see there is a cross line. We say that this is the trend filter. When price below this line, this cross line, this line color will be red. If there is a sell, the price must be below the trend filter and the trend filter color is red. Conversely, if there is a buy signal, the price must be above this line and this line color is green. This will support the buy signal. Then come to the rule number 2. You see that there is in the chart, you see that there is a cloud area, shaded area. When there is a signal of the sell, the price must be below the cloud. And if conversely, if there is a buy signal, the price must be above the cloud. Then you follow the third rule. The third rule, you see that there is dots. Upper line dot and the lower line dot. These lines are called lane assist. If there is a sell signal, the lane assist dot will be red. If conversely, if there is a buy signal, the lane assist dot must be green. You see that here, this is the. After completing the 3 rules, then you come to the next step. There is the 4th rule. The 4th rule is that it based on the action flag. There are the 2 types of the action flag. One is the action flag bear and the second is action flag bull. By default, action flag color is purple and action flag bull color is green. If 3 rules are fulfilled and the signal you see there is a sell signal and all the 3 rules supporting the sell signal, then check the 4th rule. The 4th rule, action flag bear, is also available and supporting the sell signal. Then come on a 5th rule. The 5th rule is the momentum base. You add the indicator Yakka trend enhance in your chart and check that the momentum color must be red. If there is a red color, then you are spotted the 5 rules. If 5 rules are fulfilled, traders, when you apply the your indicator signal on the chart and you take see like trade by the confidence. There is an entry price, stop loss, TP1, TP2 and TP3. Now we understand the chart because we also read the rules and understand the rules, the 5 rules. Then apply these rules on the chart and read the chart and see that what the trade follow the rules or not. What our expectations, what are the trade will be on our side or will be on the losing side after implementing the rules. So I random scroll back to the back side and check that fulfill the 5 rules and then check the trade, that trade will be success or not. I just start here from this signal. this is the buy signal, here is the buy signal. Then I check the rules, I follow the 5 rules. For your clear view, I just zoom in. For your clear understanding, there is a buy signal and here there is a trend filter. You see that there is the trend filter line. This is the trend filter line. You see that there is a buy signal. When the signals come, the trend filter line is red. So we can't take the trade here. We just wait for the trade. Follow the rules. The first rule, when the price crossing this line and closing above the line, this trend filter line comes on a green color. The first rule is fulfilled. Then what is the second rule? The second rule is the shaded area. This is the shaded area, cloud area. So we wait for the price crosses above the cloud. Here in this candle, the candle crosses the cloud. The rule number 2 is fulfilled. Then we follow the third rule. The third rule is that there is the lane assist dot. Lane assist dot, here is the lane assist dot above and here is the below. When 2 rules are fulfilled, here 2 rules are fulfilled. Here in this candles, the 2 rules are fulfilled. The third rule is lane assist. We see that there is a signal of the buy and the lane assist dot also color is green. The third rule is also fulfilled. Then we come for the next rule. The next is the fourth rule. The fourth rule is our action flag. There is the bear action flag. We see below that there is a bullish action flag below the signal. If we zoom in, we see there the action flag. The action flag is also available. The 4 rules are fulfilled. Then we check the 5th rule. The 5th rule is on the second indicator. The second indicator is Yakka Enhanced Trend Dynamic. We see the momentum when there is a signal and all the 4 rules are fulfilled here and the momentum's turn to the green color. All 5 rules are fulfilled. Then we take the trade here and here is our profit. The prices go up and up. Here is that the prices go up and up. Now we come and check the second trade. We check the chart with the second trade. Here there is a sell signal. Here is the example you understand. Here is a sell signal. What are our rules? Our first rule is trend filter. The trend filter line is green. Then skip this signal. This is not a valid signal. Then wait for the next signal. The next signal is a buy signal. The buy signal, then we check the buy signal rule. The first rule is trend filter. The trend filter must be fulfilled. Then we check the second rule. The second rule is here the price is above the cloud. Then we check the third rule. The third rule here is that there is a lane assist dot are red. We wait for the confirmation. It must be the green. After that, when there is a green dot, we see that here is the green dot. Here is the green dot. Here is the third rule confirmation. The fourth rule is the action flag bull. Also here the 4 rules are fulfilled. Fifth rule are there is the momentum is a green side. But here we see that the prices is here would take the entry. But at the same time we see there is an other signal, other action flag. Action flag is bear action flag. The bear action flag or bullish action flag, it's also used for the entry and exit. Here we take the trade and the actions to exit the trade. Then the next signals come. The next signal come as a sell signal. But this signal, the first rule is not fulfilled. So we skip this trade. We are not take this trade. This is the invalid setup. then we wait for the next signal. The next signal come on a buy signal. This is a buy signal. Check the rule. The first rule is trend filter is a green. Then check the second rule is here crossing the cloud. Third rule, lane assist, here is the lane assist asking there is a green. Fourth rule also available, action flag bull. Fifth rule, momentum also is a green. Here we take the trade and we check that the trade go upside from 38 24 38 to here is the exit of first exit 62 24 62. Then we check the second trade. Here is a sell signal. We see that there is a sell signal. Check the trend filter is red. First rule is fulfill. Wait for the crossing cloud. Here there is a crossing cloud. Here is a crossing cloud. Second rule fulfill. Then wait for the third rule. Third rule is lane assist is fulfill. Then wait for the check the fourth rule. The fourth rule is action flag bear, also available. Then check the fifth rule. The fifth rule is momentum is green. Then wait for the momentum turn to red. Here is the momentum turn to red. Here is the point. Here is our entry is 2410 and the go back to 2362. Then next signal come. The next signal is buy. Check the trend filter is red. Skip this trade, we can't take the buy trade. Then we check the sell signal. This sell signal is check the trend filter is a red. Second rule is a cloud, below the cloud this. Third rule is lane assist also red. Fourth rule is action flag bear. Fifth rule is momentum also red. Check that how much pip is there from 2402 to 2381. These are the 5 rules. We check the 5 rules and check the setup. This is very easy. Just count the 5 rules and check the setup, whether to take the trade or whether to skip the trade. Just wait, be patient, not be greedy, not will be emotions will be very harmful. Calm down, keep the emotions slow and then make a trade. It's a happy trading. This is the 5 rule setup. It's a very easy setup. You not need to worry about that. How to take a trade, how is the take profit, where we place a stop, where we make an exit. It's very simple, very easy, not to be very panic, not to be learn so much setup, not to be learn the chart style, not to be learn the candle style. You spend so many times but you can't earn. In this setup you will be easy learn, easy earn, and just follow the rules and make a trading and make a money. You see, here is a 5-minute chart. You see there is a signals and all the rules are fulfilled, and you see the TP1 is hit, TP2 is hit and TP3 is hit. When you take a trade on a 5-minute chart, remember one thing, you will be aligned the signals with the 15-minute chart. If the 15-minute chart will be on the same side, same direction, then you take a trade. The 15-minute chart shows a sell signal and you come on a 5-minute chart and you see that there is also the sell signal. Both time frames align the same direction. You take the 5-minute chart trade and you see there is hit the take profit 3 levels.